Chicken Marsala is the perfect healthy meal for a Valentine's date night. Let's make it. The first step is to make the coating for the chicken. I'm gonna take 3 tablespoons of almond flour. And I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc freezer bag. Add a little salt and pepper to season the flour mixture. For an easy, no mess mixing method, you're gonna add the chicken to the Ziploc bag. Beforehand, we trimmed the fat and tenderized the chicken breasts. We also halved them and shake to coat it evenly. Grab a pan and heat it. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to your hot pan. Now add the chicken to the hot skillet. Cook your chicken about 3 minutes, flip it over. It should be nice golden brown, just like this. All right, we'll remove the chicken from the pan. It's cooked about 6 minutes, but you do want to temp it and make sure that it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety reasons. We'll use the same pan. The drippings all go to the same place and we'll make a nice sauce. Heat it up and add another tablespoon of oil. We'll add a cup of sliced mushrooms to our hot pan. Cook the mushrooms for about 4 minutes. Add your shallot to the pan as well as the minced garlic. That's 1 shallot finely diced and 3 cloves of minced garlic. Once you've let your shallot and garlic cook for about a minute, we'll add our chicken broth. This is a 1/2 cup, 2/3 cup of low-fat milk, a 1/2 cup of Marsala cooking wine, and a teaspoon of dried thyme. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. You'll want to mix this in thoroughly. Next, you'll add the chicken back to the skillet and reheat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve the chicken up on a plate, top with some of that rich, creamy sauce. You can garnish with some fresh Italian parsley.